Hello folks, welcome back for another practice session. Today we're going to start off the set with the 4-2-2-4, going for 6 and 8. Okay, 4 is a point, 1, 3. Here's a 3. Oh, sorry, I flipped that. One, okay. Okay. Now you've been watching from the beginning till now, you notice that the dice are traveling closer formation. You get that over time about how you practice and your grip. So it's nothing special. 9, 3, 6. You'll develop that too. It's just about the amount of time you invest in your craft, okay? So if you're not getting that tight formation travel, don't be discouraged. It's just that you're not practicing long enough and you haven't dialed in your mechanics. But the result will come to you. 4, 1, 3. Okay. Point made. Again, it's the amount of contact that you made on the dice. If you hold it on the top and in the middle, you get a certain result. If you hold it to the middle, the bottom, you get a certain result. Okay. The more contact you have with the dice, the better I'll travel together. But I always hold the C formation. When I let go like that, it releases. I don't release it with the thumb. I don't open up. It's the momentum of the force releases the dice. That's a 6, 5, 1. 6 is the point. Just keep practicing. Oh, I forgot to put in the 6. Eight, 4, 4. Eight, 4, 4. Just keep practicing. We have a lot of stuff that's under our control. Okay, 6, 5, 1. Point made. That's 2 points already. It's hard to make the third point. We know what the math is and how it works, but we're going to try to push through it. Five. Okay, points 5, 1, 4. Just try to find your zone. 5, 2, 3. try to find the zone, stay in your zone, and stay focused. Don't get distracted, because you can't be in your zone and stay focused at home when there's no distraction. It's gonna be tough for you when you're at the casino trying to battle it out. 3 points, right? Same set. Okay, 8, 4, 4, points 8. That's the, if we make that point, it'll be that 4th point, it'll be a 5 bet. Nine, 3, 6. The reason why we practice at home is to preserve and protect our bankroll until we generate enough capital to duke it out. Because at the casino is pay to play, It's not like that at home. That's why you practice as much as we can at home. 8 until you feel comfortable, and then you take it out on the road. Point made. So we made a 5 point. 4, 5, 6, 8. Pretty good. Same set. Buns are off. Okay, 7. All right, so buttons off, we're going to take that as a count. So that is 13 row, 7 out on a 14, just like our SOR. And we'll lose our all tall, all short bet, but we'll still keep going because it's still our chart. The worst part about it was I was just thinking about a 7 in my head too, and then I rolled it, and the 7 came out. So I guess this is why it's important to try to keep your head empty when you're rolling. You're gonna go with the 6-3-3-6. Try to build back what we lost. 4. Okay. Points 4. 1, 3. Guess it's okay that we lost the all tall, all short bet because we made the 5 bet. And the 7 fell in the right spot, so that kept us going on the roll. We didn't lose the roll of the dice. We still had control of the dice. That's the key, trying to keep control of the dice. 8, 4, 4. A little too much power there. Okay, 1, 1, 2. That's what I wanted. Hardest for me to hit is a 2 and 12. Every time I hit the 2 and the 12, I'm always happy about it. Because then I know it's a little bit easier for me to do the all tall, all short. It's attainable, I'm gonna go with the 2-1-6-2 set with an offside grip with a forward rotation. Okay, 9. Okay. 4, 5. 5, 1, 4. We're at 18 row now. Ten. 6, 4. Seven. 1, 6 at the 20 row. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, and crap out in the 20. And the 7 fell into the right spot. We've made a 5 that couldn't make that 4 come out. So that works out pretty good. We're a little bit over our 14 SOR. Still maintaining. Okay, try to keep the video short and I'll see you next video. Take care and don't forget to practice.